Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in today. Today we are going to discuss about a really important topic, how to stay calm in an argument or in a stressful situation. Everyone have been through this situation and you know what can really go wrong. So today I'm going to give you some tips that you can use and that will help you to stay relaxed and keep the control over the situation. So the first thing that you should do is take some breath. Take 2 or 3 breaths. Why it is needed? Because this gives you oxygen to your brain and your brain get more relaxed when you have oxygen. So this is the first thing that you take. The second thing that you should do is listen to the person who is angry and doing argument with you, because the person wants you to listen. This is the first thing he is looking for. So just listen to everything what he wants to say. Let him or her tell everything what they have in their heart and brain. Let them say everything. Once they are finished, they will be more calm. And after that, you can start talking to them. Also, during this time, try to analyze why they are doing like this. Also, try to understand, does it really make sense to do an argument in a long term? So, for example, in a 1 year of time, whether if you look back, does this fight will even make any sense? So think from that perspective as well. If the situation is going out of your hand, ask or tell the other person that you need some time. Go for a walk. Take some time. Think broadly then. When you go for a walk or something, your brain gets oxygen and then it is more calm. You can organize your thoughts. And once everything is organized, then you can start talking to the person. So that's all for today. And stay happy and stay healthy. Bye.